Storyline Player. Storyline 360's player is the frame your learners see around your slide content. It includes the course menu, glossary and notes, and any custom tabs you've added. It also includes navigation features like the previous and next buttons, seek bar, the play and pause buttons, and volume control. Let's look at how you can customize Storyline's player. To customize the player, go to the Home tab on the ribbon and click Player. First, select which player you want to use. Here in the Player Style menu, the Modern player is used by default for all new projects, but you can still choose the Classic player if you need it. In a single click, you can turn off the Players menu and control so that the only thing visible is your slide. I'll leave the default menus and controls on for now. Over here, you can choose which player tabs are visible in the Features tab. Just check the ones you want to appear on the player. And you can even create your own custom player tabs by clicking the Add button. Give your tab a name, use the Action menu to define what should happen when learners click your tab. For example, you might want to lightbox a slide, which means that you'd load another slide in your course over the current slide. Click OK and your new tab is added to the player. You can move it to the first position by using the up arrow in the Player Tabs field. You can also choose whether to include the course title in the player, which side the sidebar appears on, and whether the sidebar is open or closed when learners first view the course down here. You can add or remove the controls you'd like to use in your player. Keep in mind that these are the global settings for your player, but you can always enable or disable these controls at the slide level. The Menu tab lets you control how your course menu looks and behaves. The menu items are pulled from the slide names, but you can rename the menu items by double-clicking an item. You can rearrange menu items, delete them, and change their indent level. The Resource tab is where you attach external content, such as PDFs, Word, Docs, and hyperlinks to external websites. And the Glossary tab is where you can add a glossary of terms and definitions to your course. To add a glossary item, click the Add button type in a term and its definition. Click the Colors and Effects button to customize the colors, fonts, and button styles on your player. You can choose a dark or light theme for your player and select a custom accent color that's pulled from your project's theme colors. Next, choose what fonts the player uses and adjust their size. You can even choose a different font for the closed captions. And finally, you can specify navigation button styles. Click text labels to customize the default text for buttons, messages, and other player features. The left column is a list of the text labels you can edit, select an item you want to change, and type your preferred text in the custom text column to preserve the changes you made and make them accessible in future projects. You can save custom text labels by clicking the Save button, giving your labels a name, and clicking Save. Use the Language menu to switch to a completely different language or one of your own. Saved custom text labels, as you can see, you've got a bunch of options to customize the look and feel of the player around a Storyline 360 course.